ready are we?
Dip, are you ready for this?
On a scale of 1 to 10, about 3.
This is Dip shotgunning a tallboy and natty ice.
Dip. This is Dip ruining his life. This is what this is. Is Dip ruining his life?
Yeah,
right
that's not new.
Okay, well,
You mean the further continuation of Dip?
not driving home tonight. Hope the futon's open.
One of them will be.
See you guys in the morning.
Ah, you fuck!
Hurry up! Drink!
Drink it! What the fuck?
Sean! Go! 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 Don't stop! Don't stop! You pussy!
Are you
pussy! Keep going, you fucking pussy! Keep fucking going! Bitch! More! There's still more beer in there. Keep fucking bitch.
You and Ralph?
I need to rewatch this.